free. You gotta talk to your hand.
It's playing. It's playing. Don't get upset whenever you're on Facebook, Dad.
Yeah, I'm out. What's up, everybody? Here for Wisconsin Wednesdays. Egg Harbor, we're staying here. Mary gave us their Point Beach house in Air BnB. It's been so awesome. We haven't had the best weather in the world. It's been rainy on and off, but we got the Egg Harbor video done. We didn't get as much as we did, as much as we wanted, but hope you guys like the footage that we got. We've ate at Shipwrecked. We've ate at Casey's Barbecue. Where else did we eat? Tia, where else did we eat? Anywhere else?
Fire pizza.
That makes no sense. That's in Sister Bay.
She had too much wine.
This was our view all week. It couldn't have been any more beautiful. So hope you guys like the footage we got of Egg Harbor. We will be back in the summertime next year to make sure we get all of the cool trails, all the cool areas that we couldn't touch due to the weather, due to the rain, and everything that we kind of experienced over the weekend. But again, this place is so gorgeous. The leaves changing, everything that's happened. Fall. As you can tell, it's windy. It just got done raining. We got the footage already with our drone going down Egg Harbor. Got it of the water as well. So hopefully you guys like it, and we'll see you guys next time.